Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Hold on. Can you hear me now? What's up, YouTube fans? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving you guys another sneaker review. Ooh, I struggled through that intro. Let's try it again. What's up, YouTube fans? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. And for today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I was able to get my hands on the Cool Gray 11s. Round of applause. Yes, round of applause. This is my first W on the sneakers app in over, I don't know how many months. I had exclusive access and I jumped on it. As soon as it popped up, jumped on it, got it. They sent them over in like 2 days. So, hey, I'll take it. I'm winning. Close towards the end of the year, I'm winning. I'll take it. But before we get into the review, you guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you leave a thumbs up for this video and leave a comment down below if you plan on copying or if you just want to see a how to style video. More than likely, I'll do a how to style video just because to keep content out there for you guys. But yeah, let's get into the review now. All right, so off the top of my head, I think these have released either 2 or 3 other times before in the past few years, and so I think this will make it its 3rd or 4th time releasing total. Don't quote me on that, I'm not sure, but just going off the top of my head. And something is very different about this pair. The material on this pair is A1. It's A1. So if you plan on copying, I say cop this pair because the material is looking a lot better than what it was on the previous pairs. So see if I can give y'all, a little close up. So this, the upper is like a suede almost. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a suede. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's nice. It's nice. And the patent leather is nice. The fit is good. Go true to size. Man, I don't even know what to say. So this is gonna be a short video, like off the rip. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Jordan brand, Nike. You guys, they did the thing. They did the thing on these. Now I have been wearing them. Let me get that. I had a pebble in there. Just overall, you know how 11s are, and really I just been trying to go for the colorways that I really like, the OG colorways. Now this isn't a true OG colorway, but just because it's so iconic, the cool gray colorway is just so iconic, it should be mentioned alongside the OG colorway. So I'm gonna call it the OG. I'm gonna call it the OG. But 10 out of 10, you guys. I don't have to go in depth about the shoe. You guys already know what it is when it comes to the Jordan 11. Now, not all the Jordan 11 colorways I will try to cop. I just try to stick to the colorways that I know and that I grew up on. So that's the sneaker, you guys. Let me show you guys the box. Excuse me. But this is the box. Plain Jane, nothing to it, plain Jane, the box. All right, so that is really the sneaker review, you guys. I don't have too much for you, just to show these and to make sure you guys go out and cop and enter those raffles if you plan on trying to get a pair of these, because they will sell out. Materials dope, colorway dope, the fit is perfect. The fit is almost too perfect because my other 11s that I have in my closet now, if I put them on, they feel bulky, but this, perfect. Just go cop. Let's get into the on feet. Just go cop. Go cop.